Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you the function of the software that will save all the student information inside a file named registry.csv, and here all the formats are given and I have wrote the code. Now I'm going to explain that. Here we have used structure struct and named a data type student. We have used typedef, and the benefit of using typedef is inside the main we are it will not be required to use all these things again. I'm going to call this student struct and it will call all this together. So here we have character name, character ID, and the limits are 50 and 20, and we have score as a variable of data type integer. Here there are two functions, and which are open file from console and save student grade info to file. So inside the main, first of all, I'm going to indicate and this call open this file, going to this file, then printf enter path name. I'm going to write registry.csv as I'm going to save all the information there, and then I'm going to scan and save the name inside the file path. Then I'm going to print file open, whether I'm going to write, read, or append. If I type W, then it means it refers to write. Then it will create the file registry.csv and it will write all the information I'm going to print in the console. And if I press R, then it will read from the file and print all the things in the console. And if I print append, then it's going to add all the information below the saved information before. So first of all, I'm going to open this file P f open. I'm going to open this file. Then I'm going to check whether the file is open file from console is true or not. If it's, then I'm going to save student grade info to file, and after that I'm going to close this file. So inside this function open file from console, I'm going to this file pointer. Then I'm going to check whether file P is equals to null, that is whether the file is present or not. Sorry, if the file is null, is equals to null, that is it is absent, then it's going to print error and return 0. And if it's not, then it's going to save student grade info to file. Here I have called a variable s inside this data type student. Then it's written if user finish data collecting, then it will press hash. After that it will press enter to exit console. So if it's not equal to null, then what it will do, it will printf name, save the name, and since it's a struct, I'm going to write like this as dot name. It will save, it will get name as standard input, string input. Then what's going to happen, it's going to check whether the null point has come or not. It is going to compare that string with the whole length, then it will exit. And after that, after saving name, it will print the ID number, then score. And in order to print all these things inside the file, we are going to write fprintf. It's going to take these two strings, respectively name and ID, and then this integer score. Then it will print new line, and this will keep happening until it's get this sign if char equals to EOF, that is end of file. And when this EOF is going to come when the user presses hash and then presses enter. So let's run this program. Enter path name registry.csv. I'm going to write this file first of all, then I'm going to name Safa ID 160, then Yumi ID 270, Shumona ID 3, then 18. Then what I'm going to do, I want to close my file, so I will press hash, then press enter, and let's see whether the file is saved or not. So here is my file, and here are the data that I have set as input. Now let's see what happens when I give. Let's run it again, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to read the file. I'm going to read the file, and here are the things that I have wrote before, and so it's working properly. And now if I want to append the file, now I'm going to error. There is no file because I have already opened this file, so it's not showing. But if I close this file and then it will work. So that's it, and that's how it's working.